Well, leave it to me to wait till the day before the races to fix the jimmy. All right, need to get in here, start ripping stuff apart. This old water pump has got to go. She is pooched, leaking everywhere. I think I put this belt on probably too tight and cooked this bearing in the front because she's leaking from somewhere. That's fine. Got a new one on the bench here. Get that one off. And we'll get the new shiny parts on just in time to go to the races. Old water pump is out. Only making a little bit of a mess under here. Yeah, let's get it cleaned up in here, put the new parts in and reverse the order. Just like that, she's up and running again. Okay, let's get her loaded up and get the Provost. Made it Provost. It is Saturday, day one. Registered, ready to go. Just gonna do some greasing of the U-joints here, and then we will get lined up for the races. First pass on Saturday. The pit looks pretty sticky, so see how this goes. Not what I had in mind. Glad Napa was open. Get this switched out and see if she runs. Well, new starter is in and nothing. So I had to do some more investigating, and my factory wiring hooped. So I think the fusible link going down to the starter has shit the bed. So I just had to hot wire it. And big thank you to the Flintlock truck for lending me a switch so I can hotwire this old beast. But we are up and running, and we are heading into pass number 2 for Saturday. Stay tuned. So this is the setup we have now. Off and on starts the truck. It'll get us through the weekend. Lining up for pass number 2. So far, timesheets say I am in second in the class, because my reaction time is pretty good. Thought I was in third, but bumped me up to second, so hopefully we keep up the pace here.
The Chevy Blazer, Sean McLeod in the famous green Grinch.
Day 2. Provost, let's get at her. All right, getting lined up for first pass of Sunday, so third of the whole weekend, so give her hell again.
Casey Morrell was running Rambo in the right lane with a 7.97. there's Sean McLeod easing the Grinch into the mud there in the left lane. And Blake Trump is slow rolling out of Elk Point. He's got the gray Chevy Blazer with the
Third pass of the day went really good. Truck I was racing just beat me by like 0.4 of a second. So me and him are doing really good. And it comes down to this last race, I think. So crunch some numbers. I'm in second place by 0.9 of a second. And the guy that's in first, racing him right now. So all the marbles, last race of the day. Let's see how she goes.
All right, there's Blake Trump from Elk Point, Alberta in his slow-rolling Chevy Blazer here, right beside Sean McLeod in the Grinch. Sean's got a passenger. Sounds like Dean is in there with him. Sean said that's how we go get groceries on the back road.
And just like that, weekend's over. I think that one was like 7.36. I don't know if they've added the reaction time to that yet, so that might be my throwaway pass, but it's a fun weekend. Thanks for tuning in. The rest of the video will just be stuff I watched here, some freestyle motocross, maybe some tough trucks, lawnmower racing, the other trucks, drag racing too. So if you liked it, subscribe. See you next time. And that is a wrap. A little bit of the damage, I guess. We are... rear main seal is leaking again. That's the abuse, I suppose. As well as the timing chain cover is dripping a little bit too. You can see it dripping there. So maybe we'll just throw some mystery oil in her and hope she swells back up. Good weekend.
Lane, Andy Podolsky in the right lane, Casey Morrell. This is your street spot, last Work those tires, let's go. Don't slow down, Casey, don't stop. Keep her pinned. Use every inch of that track. At a point, keep steering, that's it. Looks like the mud monkey ain't gonna come out today. All right, way to hustle, bud. He made her. We all love it. We should take a picture of all these Here, William Hall, you hauled it all the way down the track against Kaylin Van 40. Whole lot of shaking going on. Rhonda Walsh, Provost, Alberta, Redneck Mama, the 81 Chevy, she's in the left lane. Old block Chevy. Lane aiming for the end of that track. 160 feet to meet, he'll do it. Got that truck with the F word on it, the big yellow Ford. Here comes a 1941 Willys, Brian DeLong. Straight up.